Hi viewers, welcome back. Today I come up with my second video about the wiper motor. In my previous video, I tried to make you understand how spark break of wiper motor work and what is the purpose of the inductor and capacitor in the wiper motor. If you people didn't watch that video, I suggest you have to click on this I button and watch that video, or click down on the video link which I have given in the description, because that video is very informative. So today I will explain again how hypermotor work, but through a schematic, through a diagram. So let's move to the board to start the video. So viewers, this one is a simple schematic of the wiper motor, how wiper motor work. This schematic I picked up from the W470-5 commercial V-loader. Viewers, I have made some videos. First you watch that video is about the timers and about the wiper plate and wiper switches. Then after I will let you know about this diagram. I will explain in detail. So let's watch this video. So viewers, this one is a timer of the wiper motor of a Komatsu V-loader WA470. Here are the 6 pins. So about these pins I will later let you know when I will talk about its wiring diagram. So viewers, I am inside the cabin now. This one is the this one is the front wiper switch. This one is a rear wiper switch button. This is a reverse off this side, and this is, you can say, front wiper is off. Okay, and this one is interval. This one is the first speed, and this one is second speed. I show you one by one. Now is interval, so you can see this wiper is a one time go after come. So it is a it after, you can see, after intermittently. Okay, so now is a go, now is come back. So if I put in the speed, first speed, so you can see it's the first speed. I put wiper on the one, this is the first speed. Okay, if I put on the second speed, okay, this is a second speed. So now it's moving, this is very speedily moving, this speedily moving. Okay, this is a high speed, second speed. This is low speed, and this was the interval. Okay, wiper stop here, this interval. And if I push this button, this is a washing. This is a washing come, and again wiper is also working. I push this one, and you can see water coming. Okay, you can see this water drops. You can see drop of waters coming, and also with the moving. So viewers, this one is our simple diagram, and then the diagram you can see there are the two switches showing the front wiper switch and rear wiper switch. There are the two wiper motors, front wiper motor and second wiper motor, they are rear wiper motor, and this one is our timer relay. So as you also watch in the video, there was I show you the two switches, rear and front. Same, this is also you have watched already the timer. Timer has the 6 pins. Here you can see also 6 pins, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are 6 pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are also 6 pins. And this motor is also, you can see, there are 5 pin motors. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 pin motors. Already in my previous video, what I show you in my previous video, this diagram I show you in my previous video. Here you can see 1, 2, 3 pins are here. So here are three pins. One, two, three. Three pins are here and two pins positive here, two high and low, and this one is the ground. This is then this one is our ground. Okay, this you can see in my previous video and this video, but this is a detailed video which I told you already. These are the inductor and these are the capacitor and this gate I already discussed in detail in my previous video. Just I show you this is the same. This is for dozer diagram and this is for from I picked from the loader. So already had the same. Here is not showing inductor capacitor. So now I'm going to explain how it work. So first of all, you can see you can see this is one of our fuse. When we switch on the machine, the current is comes appeared in this fuse and through here here as you can see these circles, here are power appeared, come to the here and also here. This wiper motor 1.P2 is get the power as soon as we switched on the machine. So viewers, first I talk about this interval. as as soon as we switch on the wiper motor and we put the wiper, we on this interval. When we on this interval, so what happened, this from this fuse is power goes to there, and from here it goes to the timer, and timer become on. As soon as this timer become on, this switch become close here, and this current which already from the fuse flowing to here and reached here, and after it goes to this space and it come to the low point and motor start working. So when we put on this one, so what is happening, so motor wiper working like this, stop, again come, second, and this interval is a 2 to 8 second. It stop is a crucial time, 6 to 8 time, and after again reciprocating, then it's go back and fro, stop, like this way, stop, after 2 to 8 second, again come and reciprocating continues like this. Okay, this is a function of this interval. So same as when we our put the our switch in the low position, so when we on the low position, so power from this here flow to here, and our wiper motor start, and it slowly working, continues work whenever we not stop the switch. It's very simple. And same when we put the switch in a high positions, so power from here, the current flows toward the high and is already grounded. So our wiper blades start working very speedily like this. So this is our operation, how the interval, high speed and low speed wiper blade are working. So now I talk about the washing. So these are here. Sorry, I not told you before. These two motors are our washing motors. This is for the front washing motor, and this one is a rear wiper windshield wiper motor. Okay, washing motor of the wiper motor. So When we push the washing button, as I showed you in the video, when we push the washing button, so what happened? The power from this fuse, which coming from the fuse, is goes to the this washing motor, and washing motor give the water on the windscreen, and on the same time this current is also flow to the timer, and timer become on, and this activator this relay, and this contact from here to go here, and current from this fuse, which is coming from the fuse, passing through this path and goes to the this path, and after it reach to the at low side of the motor, and our motor start working. When this motor start, after zero point 0.2 to zero point 0.8 second, our wiper is start working, and our 2 to 4 times it working, and after stop, when this motor stop working. So this was the small introduction how our motor is working. So viewers, it was my small attempt through the diagram, through live video from the machine, and what I can do, I did make you understand how the wiper motor work, and whenever wiper motor become damaged or there is a occurred any problem, how we can troubleshoot it. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel and share this video to your friends. Thank you.